How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. YouTube does not provide a direct way to completely disable recommended videos on the app as they are a core feature of the platform, but we are here with some steps to minimize it. So let's get started. Firstly, go to any browser and go to YouTube website, and here in YouTube website you can see all the recommended videos available on your screen. Now in order to remove this, all you have to do is tap on the history option available in the left sidebar. So this is the desktop version. Firstly, tap on the history option available there. Inside history, you can see clear all watch history option available. Simply tap on it and clear all the histories. So basically, YouTube uses your watch and search history to recommend videos. Clearing and pausing this can reduce personalized recommendations. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.